What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Goody.
And Jazz.
And we're back with another lit video. Y'all, today, y'all boys, look, snow day vibes. We both got we never get to be like off the whole day. We both got off. We're probably gonna be off like tomorrow and the next day, but I don't know. We went to we went to go get groceries to make this chicken tortilla soup, cause you know what I'm saying, cold vibes soup. So we went to go get this stuff to make this soup, y'all, and get Pluto some toys. Already ripped the toy, brand new. We just got them.
Brand new.
Y'all, Jazz set a timer for how long we were in traffic.
Not even including when we stopped.
We were already there for like 30 minutes. Pluto, we were in traffic for like 2.5 hours total, bro. Jazz is gonna make this chicken tortilla soup. Penn State and Notre Dame play tonight. I might put some pics in on the game. Just wanted to start a vlog. It's snowing outside. Let me give y'all a better view. You know what I'm saying? Let me open it up. Look, y'all, it's snow. It's snowing hella. The roads are probably the worst I think I've ever seen them my whole life, as far as like here.
Your whole life as far as here.
But yeah, so we're at the house. We're about to make this soup. I'm about to get on the game. It's just a chill, you know what I'm saying, snow day vibe. So yeah.
Yep.
We'll see y'all whenever Jazz get ready to make the soup.
All right, y'all, I'm gonna go ahead and get dinner started. Even though it's pretty early, we don't ever eat this early, but it's a snow day and I want to get things done early so I can chill. My mother-in-law got me this. It's a chopper. Pluto, get out. Did he eat his breakfast? I have a chopper thing.
Yeah.
So I'm just going to make this smaller. Now, y'all, I just literally cut this in half. Cut it in quarters.
Tell me when
Take this, then just put your vegetable on there and close it. I might add another jalapeno, should I?
I'm cool with two.
All right, y'all, so now I have my pan. I'm gonna turn it down and have it too high. It's already heated up. I'm going to spray some olive oil, add my onion and my jalapeno and some garlic. I'm gonna let that cook down for a second, and then I'm gonna go and add my broth, which is just gonna be chicken broth, water. Okay, guys, so now that that's done, I'm going to add my vegetables to this pot. It's already hot. I'm gonna add oil, I'm gonna add the onion, the jalapeno, and some garlic, and I'm going to season it with some salt and pepper, let that cook down for a second. Then once that gets a little browned, I'm gonna go in with my chicken broth, and I'm gonna add a cup of water for my entire thing of chicken broth. I'm gonna season that, just garlic powder. I'm not gonna add onion powder since there's already onion, but I'm gonna add garlic powder, more salt, pepper. I'll probably add some cayenne, some thyme, things like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and get that done, started, and then once I have everything together, I'll be back. Okay, guys, so it's been a little minute. It's still snowing, hella. Eric's finishing our TikTok. But I'm gonna show you guys what the soup came out to. I ended up finishing cooking everything. I added the canned corn, the canned beans, onion, jalapeno, tomatoes, chicken. I didn't have black beans because I forgot to get them at the store, so I had to use some like ranchero type so that's that. I just made Eric just made himself a bowl, actually. Looks pretty smack. He put sour cream on top and Colby Jack cheese. And we got the good kind. We got a block of it, and Eric shredded all this.
And we got some chips.
And we got some delicious restaurant style tortilla chips, lightly salted. That's a behind the scenes of our TikTok. But yes, guys, so Eric's bowl is made. I'm gonna show you guys the snow. This is what we're watching right now. This is Notre Dame and I don't know. Penn State.
Playoff.
Oh, it's right there.
College playoff. Notre Dame, baby. I'm not a fan. That's just what I think is gonna win.
Eric thinks Notre Dame's gonna win. So when you watch this, who do you want or think it was gonna win? And this is currently our snow update, and it's still coming down. It's snowing, girl. We're gonna have to show y'all Pluto in the snow, but
Bro just threw an interception right after I said they were gonna win.
Yeah, so Notre Dame is not going to win, it's looking like.
Yes, they are.
I'm just kidding, I'm just kidding. It just started, literally just
I
started.
put my life savings on it.
Okay, guys. I'm sorry I look like this. It got hot. And my hair's so damn nappy.
You look good, Shush. Look at my hair, y'all. Hold on.
We're gonna taste test the soup for you guys.
Shit, I already tasted it. 10.
I got
There we go.
soup,
Here go mine.
cheese, sour cream.
I got the same.
So guys, I just have soup, sour cream, cheese. I'm gonna add a little bit of tapatio. And I added some lime. And we have cilantro, but I don't wanna
Y'all, this is
add
smack.
cilantro. Let's taste test it. I'm skeptical. I don't feel like I'm a good soup maker.
10.
Do you want hot sauce?
No, it's already kind of spicy. Oh.
Well, damn, that shit must be hitting.
That shit is good.
It's good.
You got cheesecake, bro.
Jesus Christ.
What the hell are you on?
And that shit is good, babe.
You're fucking creepy. No more for you to get you going like that. These chips taste weird.
I think they're good. It is not, huh? It is smack, no cap.
Ew! You're creeping me out!
Ow, what are you doing?
Why are you doing that? Stop it!
Why are you hurting me?
You're odd. I just hear.
That's not how it sounds.
Alright.
Oh, fuck.
Ew! You're sick. This is gonna get reported for sexual harassment.
You're harassing me, grabbing my neck and shit.
Yours tastes different than
Oh,
mine.
that shit good, girl.
Ew! Is this a prank? You're just normally like this.
The food's good, you know, sometimes nigga can't help it. Fuck. Oh, fuck. That shit is good. You just drop soup all in it.
Have a napkin, babe.
A napkin?
Napkin.
Where's the peat? Fucking girl.
That's a good girl. What the fuck are you doing? You're
What are
weird.
you doing?
Whatever you're doing, you sick ass weirdo. Can't even enjoy the soup. You're being all dang weird.
Mine is a prank. You just being a fucking weirdo.
I must make a good soup, girl, if you need a recipe. I'm guessing I make the best soup known to man. So if y'all need that recipe, hit my line.
This is smack though, y'all.
Yes, it's good. To a snow day and a delicious dinner.
And we got cookies, y'all.
Okay guys, we hope that you enjoyed that video. If you would like to see more day in the life, night in the lives, or just days that we get to spend together, because we're together every day, but when we're in school and basketball season, it's hard to be together all day.
Thanks.
So today was one of those days we got to be together all day. But we hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. All of our socials are down in the description below.
Thank you guys for watching the video. Don't forget to keep God first. Like, comment, subscribe. Let us know what other videos you guys want to see, and we'll see you on the next video.
Bye.
Bye.